What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show y'all a quick video of how I solder 8mm, 6.5, 5mm bullets onto wire so I can use them in the speed controller or on the motors or whatever. What I usually do is just take a water solder like this and I'll stick it down in the hole, and then I'll take my torch and just heat it up like that. See how that melted down in there? And I'll do that with the little pre-wads I make, and it's a little hole on there like that. That's your fill hole. Once it passed that line, it pretty much would just come out of the hole, so that's enough solder. And then what I do, I take some type of flux and I put it on the wire. Sometimes I pre-tin the wire, sometimes I don't, depends on how big the wire is. And then as I put the torch here and it melts the solder, then I'll just take the wire and put it down in there for a second. Then I remove the heat, the torch, and then what the flex does, it draws the solder into the wire, so it'll make it one solid wire. And also another tip, I just cut off just enough to be past the depth of the bullet. That way you won't have all that wire hanging past the bullet. And then I take as you can see on these, take a piece of shrink tube, put it on there on both sides, a little piece like this, and that's pretty much it. You good to go.